Gravel, sand, mud, rocks, I spend a lot of time off-road, and more time than I'd like airing up the tyres when I'm done. So I thought I'd give this XTM Dual Air Compressor a go. Dual head, 150 PSI and a massive 250 litres per minute. This front tyre went from 15 to 40 PSI in only 1 minute and 40 seconds. Of course it's great for kids' toys and balls, but you've got to watch closely or the family footy will end up in smithereens. It comes with a big 10 metre hose, which is great for reaching the camper trailer. And it all packs up neatly in a carry bag, so I can stash it behind my seat. If you'd like a faster air up time, you'll find the XTM Dual Compressor at Supercheap Auto.
Make it super at Supercheap Auto.